Hello guys, welcome to Technical Master. In this video I am going to show you how to download movies on Android. We will get all movies in this app. If this video is useful to you, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open any browser and search torrentvilla.com. Scroll down and download the Torrent Villa app, or we can use this website too. I already done this, that's why I didn't do this again. In this app we can download all movies for free. I will show you some search results. We can download the movie from this magnet option. If you have any doubts, comment below. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel for more videos.